Hello, let's repeat together some farm animals. 1 mouse, 5 mice. Pet. I would like to have a new pet. I would like to have a dog as a pet. Donkey. The sheep is singing. Bee. What is the pig doing? The pig is sleeping. The farmer has got many animals. Has got are. The farmer has got many animals. The tractor is in front of the barn. In front of, behind, between. There are 5 ducks on the lake. The rabbit is jumping. 1 horse, 2 horses. And this is the barn. We say there are 2 horses in the barn. 1 horse, 2 horses in the barn. Farm. There are many animals on the farm. Oh, look at the pig. The pig is running. We said that before. What is the cow doing? The cow is sleeping. This is the goat, and the goat is wearing a hat. Look, wearing a hat. The goat. That's the cat's tail. What is the duck doing? The duck is flying. Milk. Also the picture of a farm. Hey, what is the chicken doing? The chicken is walking. The chicken is walking. This is a puppy. I don't know if I have the picture of a kitten. Hen. There are 3 eggs under the hen. Rooster. Ham. And roof. There are 2 cows in my garden, and that's the roof. And wool. Wool. Luna. Thank you. Bye.